A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and planning of any area, and Greenpark in Delhi is no exception. Greenpark is a well-established residential area in South Delhi known for its lush greenery and serene surroundings. With the increasing demand for real estate in this area, the need for land surveyors has become even more significant. A land surveyor in Greenpark ensures that all land-related issues are addressed and resolved efficiently, making them an indispensable part of the development process. Greenpark, being a prime residential area, requires careful planning and design to make the most of its natural beauty. This is where SCON Design, a renowned architectural firm in Delhi, comes into play. SCON Design specializes in creating innovative and sustainable designs that blend seamlessly with the surroundings. Their expertise lies in designing residential and commercial spaces that not only meet the client's requirements, but also adhere to environmental regulations. When it comes to land surveying in Greenpark, a professional land surveyor can provide invaluable services. They assess and measure the land accurately, identifying boundaries, topography, and any existing structures. This information is crucial for architects and developers to plan their projects effectively. By conducting surveys, land surveyors ensure that all construction activities are carried out within legal boundaries and comply with building regulations. Total station surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. They utilize advanced technology and equipment, such as a total station, to accurately measure and map out the terrain of a specific area. Total station surveyors in Greenpark, Delhi, are well-versed in the use of these devices and are highly skilled in conducting surveys for various purposes, including construction projects, land development, and infrastructure planning. These professionals possess a deep understanding of surveying principles and are capable of producing precise measurements and detailed drawings that are essential in the design and development processes. Greenpark is a thriving locality in Delhi known for its residential and commercial establishments. With its prime location and well-planned infrastructure, it has become a sought-after destination for real estate development. Total station surveyors in Greenpark play a crucial role in ensuring that construction projects are properly executed and adhere to the required standards. By conducting accurate surveys of the land, these professionals provide valuable information to architects, engineers, and designers, enabling them to create precise plans that meet the needs of clients and comply with regulatory requirements. SCON Design is a renowned architectural firm based in Delhi that specializes in providing innovative and sustainable design solutions. As part of their design process, they rely on the expertise of total station surveyors to gather accurate data about the site. By collaborating with total station surveyors in Greenpark, SCON Design can ensure that their designs are based on precise measurements of the land and take into consideration any existing structures or natural features. This helps in creating designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical and functional. Delhi, being the capital city of India, is witnessing rapid urbanization and development. The demand for efficient infrastructure is ever increasing, making the role of total station